Altitude gives you the mileage. Attitude lets you take the leap. Hey everyone, today I would like to stress the importance of the four basic elements which you require to understand IT better and also as an advice for newbies and obsolete employees. Right. There are quite a few people who are cruising into the IT world, making rapid strides, but always on the flip side, there is a section of people who are kind of confused, struck, and unsure of what needs to be done as part of IT progression, how to establish themselves. I always have this innate obsession to add value to that section of people, and hopefully, this video gives you that cue to understand IT from a top angle. Right, before diving into the four basic elements I want to suggest, I want to stress the importance of IT itself. As you know, IT as an industry is playing a significant role in different business models like body shopping, consulting, developing its own products for automation, but primarily it is always focusing on solving a business need. So it is extremely important for you to understand the marriage between business and IT, right? Once you understand that, you will have the notion of how things work. You might always be stuck in a profile which pushes you deep into the technology and somewhere will not allow you to have the vision towards the radar. So never let your eyes go off that particular thing, right? Now, quickly diving into the four basic aspects which I want to suggest. The first one is development. Now, as you know, what exactly you want to project, what you want to develop, which you want your customers to use, right? How you want your customers to see your development, or how you want your customers to see what they want to use, right? So these are all the things which percolates as part of development prerequisites, and then you proceed for that, right? Now, quickly off the topic, I just want to stress the importance of learning the concepts, right? Learn everything at a very, very basic level, right? Understand the nuances at a ground level in a layman language, which will help you a lot to have the concept in your grip. And when you take strides forward, you will always have the jargons up your sleeve, and you will know how to articulate and polish your language, in due course. As a technical trainer, as a counselor, or a personal coach, I always interact with my students or whoever comes for help to talk in a layman language, discuss everything at a basic level so that the concept will be clear. That could be a life concept or a technical concept. When you do that way, your core personality or core subject will be absolutely tight. And when it is tight, what will happen? Everything goes in an autopilot mode, right? Now, quickly going back to the development, as you know, the gist of the development, the next part is how to get the development get going. So it's all about pulling up all the programming languages, what are the different combinations which are used in the market, what other companies are using. So have a research as to what are all there. Now, yes, you might have a doubt that you do not have a technical bone in your body. Now, how am I supposed to know that, right? Now, accordingly, there are different languages with segments of complexity levels. So pick something which is closer to your technical skill set, right? If your technical skill set is pretty low, pick something relevant to that. But understand how development happens, right? Understand the end-to-end process, the so-called full stack development, right? Understand what the full stack, the front end is, the back end is, middleware is, how they are stitched together to solve a business need. So that will give you a perspective, right? The next one is networking, right? You will have software, system, components, but you are always on the other side of the aisle and you never have eyes towards the networking. So understand how they are all connected. As I say, stay wherever you are, I'll come and touch you. I'll come and connect you. That's all networking is about, right? So understand the basics of it, you will be good. And the third one is understand the cloud, now which is booming, but it is extremely important. I always say it as something like a buffet with all the ingredients put on your platter, and you pick whatever you want, right? It could be coming as a platform as a service, software as a service. Different companies are coming up with cloud. You talk about Oracle, Microsoft, AWS, Google. They have their own clouds, and many companies. So understand the concept of cloud, what all can be done. Now, how you want to use the infrastructure, where my code lives in, how exactly I should showcase, what are the virtual VMs, how I can show them, right? Everything has an answer, and all the components are solving a business need. So try to have an overview of them. And lastly, I just want to stress the importance of end-to-end process. Now, you go to any expert or someone who can help you to understand any end-to-end process of any domain, which will help you to the eye or vision of a sequential activities which will happen from start to end, scratch to grave. So that will give you a perspective of what needs to be done. And when you change the company or you change the domain, you will always have access to that particular process, and you will know what is the delta, and you will know how to fix it. Right? Now that's extremely important. And these are all the basic ingredients which you will have to pull up in parallel to what the profile you are in, because your profile might not give you access to all these. So it is extremely important for you to build this platform so that you will have all the basic ingredients and you will know what recipe to be made out of you. Right? Once done, you will know that you have your basics intact. Now, am I saying that once these four are done, all the basics are taken care? Are there not other technologies which are supposed to be focused on? Yes, you have artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, you have IoT, and there are quite a few which are exploding by every single passing day. But I just want to say these are the basics which might help you to understand. Now, basics are something like a Formula One racing where you are on a track on the move, right? And whenever you feel upgradation is required, whenever you feel the tires have to be changed, you come to the pit, in no time you will have that upgradation done and you will be back on the track. Right? Now, without basics, you are not on the move. Right? Lastly, in parallel, I just want to focus on the aspect that remember always there will be people who are relatively in a better salary, job, roles, and responsibilities who will have quite a few suggestions for you without thinking from your shoes. Now, always make an attempt to validate the authenticity of the thoughts coming your way. Right? Now, once you do that, also make sure you are executing only if you are logically convinced. Right? When you do that, you will know how to pick yourself up and you will know that your time is coming. And lastly, I just want to say there is no one expert here. And if you feel anyone is expert here, you can also become one. I hope you like this video. I'll try to come up with more macro and micro technical videos so that it will add value and you will know how to use it as part of your repertoire. Right. Well, that's pretty much I have for this episode 9. Hopefully, I'll come up with more videos like this. Thank you.